We're going to show y'all how to do some old-fashioned, old-timey cooking on the campfire. We got our baked beans. We're going to add some sauce to it and show you how to cook it up right here in the can. First you get it, put it in the pan. We only have one pan, we got to use that for macaroni and cheese. That's why we are improvising. So we get our baked beans put in. Then we're going to get our barbecue sauce put in as soon as we get it open. Okay, here we go. We got our barbecue sauce. We'll mix it up a little bit. We're going to put a little mustard in it. Give it a little bit of tang.
Garlic.
We got a little hold up here. We got to get the rest of our spices to put in it. We got our corn wrapped up. We'll do another video on that one day. And what you putting in there?
Miss Dash.
Little Mrs. Dash. Little goes a long way. A little bit of garlic powder. Just a little. And what's the last thing? A little bit of onion powder. Alright, we got those in. Something stir it up right quick. It's gonna be good, y'all. Look like taking some regular baked beans and make it into your own. Right now. We'll add it back to our can. Maybe I'm getting a good picture of it. That looks good. You ought to smell it right now. It's gonna really smell good when we get done with it. Get on the campfire. And we'll be right back. Okay, we told y'all we'd show you the finished product. We got some ears of corn here. That's what the foil is right there. It's got the kind of charcoal on the outside, but this is our baked beans, and let's show you we did cook it in here on inside the can. And hope y'all have happy eating.